Hey guys, I'm going to go over how to install Trizbort on Windows PCs. Realize that um, you can't install it on a Chromebook or a Mac or tablet, and that there are other ways to use Trizbort, but we find the easiest way to use it is via the Windows version on PCs. Um, we're still working out all the kinks, but so don't worry so much on that front. Let's worry about getting it installed on a Windows computer. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is come to Trizbort.com, as you can see, and then click this right here that says download latest. Right? You're going to follow that link to the GitHub. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to where it has this Trizbort zip file. Click that and it should start downloading. Don't worry, you don't need WinRAR to extract it or anything like that. Once it's downloaded, you should see it in your downloads folder, which I will go to. As you can see, the very top thing is my Trizbort zip that I just got. Right? Now, all you need to do is extract it. So you're going to right click, extract files, and I'm just going to extract it right here to my downloads. You might want to do it to your desktop or somewhere else where you're going to keep actively using it. Click OK, so that makes this file. Here you can see this is where Trizbort's installed to. And now if I double click this guy, boom, I'm running Trizbort. Alright, if you guys have any questions, contact myself or Mr. Wright, and we can help you through it. Contact me on Discord or Mr. Wright through Schoology.